Hey everybody, Carter from Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota and AutoramaAuto.com. Today we have a 2020 LTZ Chevrolet Z71 Crew Cab Duramax. Can you hear it? It's super quiet, but it is the Duramax. This shadow gray truck with the gray interior is beautiful. It has a 6.5-foot box. Heated and cooled seats, touchscreen navigation, push button start, remote start. It's almost brand new, 500 miles. The owner we're selling it for bought it. 6 months later realized he doesn't need it. He's got too many vehicles, so we're selling it for him. It's flawless. There's no weird history. Just he doesn't need the truck. We're selling it for him. Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we don't have outrageous hidden fees.